Hello Facebook, YouTube. We up here working on this 2004 Toyota Sienna. We're taking the wheel bearing out. That's the old wheel bearing. That's where the bearing goes. This is the axle. This is all that stuff. So we got the new bearing sitting right here. About to put it in. Got the new hub, the new nut, and everything. Put it back in there. So we're doing it at the customer house because the truck won't drive nowhere, and we have to bring our mobile truck to do this over here at the spot. So we're about to put it back together and finish this job. Wheel bearing 2004 Toyota Sienna. Thanks a lot. See you next time.